Okay, hello everyone. Here is Su Zhen Duan. I'm so glad to have this course with all of you in this special situation. And when I think about my takeaways, and the first word come to my mind is I'm not alone. It's just like a motivation club. I always saying like that I'm interested in motivation, but right now when I take this course, I think I join inner club. All the students are interested in motivation. We talk about motivation all together. That's special and very important for me. And another thing I want to say is I feel a little integrity of motivation. I think before when I think about before this course, when I think about motivation, just like one by one, complex, a big area. And after this course, I just like get one theory after another, and when I get them together, I think I have some way to organize them together, and I think okay, I can have a more integrated of motivation, and whether it is right or not, and just my experience. My learning experience enhanced my understanding of motivation. So thanks for this course, and nice to meet you guys here. Thank you.